And off we go again. Hello. How are you, Lizzie? Busy Lizzie? Hey? Busy Lizzie and Bugsy Wugsy. Hey? Yes, Lizzie. Oops, scratch my nose. Lizzie? Do I get a kiss? I do. Hey? Kissy? Kissy kiss? There we go. Bugsy. Come on, Bugs. Here we are. Come on, Lizzie. In you come. So, camera. Lights, camera, action. Managed to retrieve the other container and top that up. I'm not sure who's got the better stuff. Oh, it's a bit of a mix. Lizzie. Papa. Hello down here. Yes. Hello. Yes, Bugs. Come on, Bugs. What's going on, Bugs? What's happening, Bugsy? Whoa, we got a nut. Oh, Bugsy. Oh, you got chased off. Who's this coming in? Hey? Who's this coming in? Hello? Hello? Hey? Hey? Miss Lizzie? Hey, container. Oh, I lost Lizzie. Bugsy, is that you back in? Hey? Hello? You got anything to say? Yeah? Anything else? Anything else? Hey? No? Oh, listen to you. Hey? Hey? Hello, squeakies. Hello. And off goes the lid. Bob of the bucket strikes again. Oh. Hello. Hello, yes. Squeakies? Hello, squeakies. Come on, squeaks. Pip of the squeaks. Bit more out there. Yes, Fluffy. Bit more out there. Fluffy. Hey, hey. Hello. Yes. You want some more? You do? I know. Look at so many beaks. So many beaks. So many beaks. I know. In you come. In you come. Hey. Yeah. Like, excuse me. Excuse me. Like, you emptied the lot on the ground and then threw it on the ground. And then you wonder where it is. Gosh, I don't know. Oh, now you want this one too? Yeah? And Fluffy, yes. Come on up here, Squeak. Oh, greedy guts. Excuse me, greedy gutses. Come on. Yes, I know. You greedy guts. Take the container. Come on. Yes, come on. Look at all your greedy guts, eh? Whoop. Buffies. Buffies. Buffulators. Hello. Yes, you got anything to say? No? You gonna be a pillow Birbie? Hello. Yes, that's you. Munchalots. What you doing, Buffy? What you doing, Buffy? Got you, Buff. Heads, more heads. Hello, squeakies. Yes, I know, squeakies. I know. There's so many of you. Squeaky, hello. Hello. Yeah? Anything? Hey? Yeah, you hungry up here too? You gonna say? I know, Squeaky. I know, Squeaky. Come on, in you get. There you go. In you get. Come on. There we go. Hello. Oh yes, I know, Squeaky Squeaks. Hey, hello up here. Hey? Yeah, I know, it's not fair, is it? Hello? Yeah. Like the container's down there. If I try and get the container back, shall I try to get the container back? Right, so I've got that container back. What happens if I try and put a little bit down there. Right, yes, you, the one that threw on the ground, like that. Yes, you. Hey, I'll have that back, thank you. Right, try and take that. Hello, come on. Yeah, now what? What are you going to do now? Hey? It's down there. Uh-oh, we got a problem now. Yeah. Oh, we got a problem, all right. I love it. Peekaboo. Sneaky, sneaky, sneakies. Tickle, sneakies. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Me? Yes. Hello. Hello. It is hello, Burby. Is that hello, Birb? Hello. I thought it might have been. Hello. Hello. It is hello. Oh, hello to you too. Climbing on my arm. Yeah. What are you doing? You're hopping off again. Okay. Hello, Burby. Hello, Burby. Squeakies. Come on. Hello. Hello. Yes, Fax. Fax. Hello, Birb. Hello. Hello, Birb. Hello. Hello. Come on, hello. Yes. Yes, madam. Come on. Whoop. There we go. Taxi Birb. Hello, Birb. Coming in from everywhere. Yeah, I know. Hey, yeah. Whee. Hey, yeah, come on. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Yummo. Birdos. How you doing back there? Hello, Burby. I know you lot up here. Yeah. Yes, madam. Are you sure? Are you right there? Like, are you right? I can't get you on camera, but one being a half a handy bird. Look, you're gonna have to move. There we go. Thank you. Yes, yes, Faxy. There we are. Hello, Burby. Fax, Burby. Yes. I know, it's not fair, is it? Right. Come on, up you come. Come on. Whoa, look at that. Nuts to you. Nuts to you. Hello. Hello, bird. Hello. Ah, hello. I'm juggling because I've got Birb on arm. Come on, hello. Right, you know already? Yeah. Hello, Burby. Yes, Squeakies. Come on, Squeakies. Come on, hello, Birb. Hello. Yep. Yoo-hoo. Really? What you got to say? Oh, Squeakies. Oh no, hello's gone. Oh. Who we got? Greetings. In you come. Hey. Excuse me. Oi. Oi. Cut it out. I reckon so. What do you got to say? Hey? Hey, you got anything to say? Anything to say? Yeah? Anything to say? Hey? 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 Anything? You know... Hello? What do you got to say? Yeah? Fax Birb. Is that you, Fax? No. I hear a fax birb. Hello. Burp, burp. Oh, which might be. Oh, oh. Yes, hello. Yes, Lizzie. Yes, Lizzie. Hello, bird. Hello. Hello. I know you're there. People. Yep, whoop. Come on, hello. There you go. Oh, Lizzie, kissy kissies. I know, there we are. You right there? Hey Nibulator. Hey Nibbles. Miss Lizzie. Miss Lizzie. Oh, I lost Furrow Bird. Hello. Hello, hello. Down over here. You right there? You okay? You a good bird? Yeah? What you doing? What you doing? Hey? Miss Lizzie, you're dribbling seed down my back. Miss Liz Doss. What here we got with Miss Lizzie? Hello, yes. Are you coming back, are you? You coming back up? What you doing? Yeah, coming back. Hello. You want some? You gonna You're gonna go down there. Hello. What? You stuck there, are you? What you doing? What you doing? I'll get an ear nibble. Oh, I get a kissy from Lizzie. Oh, cute kisses. Oh, scratchy kisses. Hello, yes. Peekaboo, too. Yes, Faxy. Fax bird. Oh, Lizzie, big kisses. To get some more seed out, you know. Oi. Oh, Lizzie. Lizzie kisses. Bob in the bucket again. Yes, come on. Look, I can't. Look, you got to share. You lot. Yep, danger calls. Oh look, you've thrown it on the ground again. Okay. Again and again and again and again. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato, whatever. What you doing, Birb? Miss Lizzie. Oi. Oi. Miss Lizzie. That was another bird having a... Yes, Faxy, you're getting a bit aggro. Faxy. Lizzie. Oh, what was that, Lizzie? Hello. Oh, footbird. Come on, foot. Come on, foot. It's a footbird. Hey, footbird. Hey, footbird. Lizzie. Foot. There we are. Kissy kiss. There we go. Yes, Faxy Birb. Yes, Faxy Birb. Fallen off the perch. Footbird. There we go. Lizzie Liz. Lizzie. So busy. Fat footbird. Why don't you say not a fat bird, but footbird? Oh, kissy Lizzie. Hey, Lizzie. Footbird. Hey, footbird. There we go. Come on, footbird. Come on. Kissy. Oh, big kisses from Lizzie. In the back blocks. The bottom of the bucket's getting lower and lower. You sure you'll be able to fly after this? Oh, footbird. Come on, foot. Come on. Stretch a bird. I know, footbird. Yes, footbird. Oh, yeah. Come on, foot. There we go. Miss Lizzie. Kissy kiss. Footbird. There we are. Kissy kiss. Footbird. Foot Birb, look at you. Look at you, Foot Birb. Foot Birb. Oh, you got pushed off. Oh. Yes, cheekiness. Yes, cheekiness. Hey? You pushed the Foot Birb. Yeah, you're looking at me like that. Yeah. Miss Lizzie. Hello? Right. Yes. Bob in the bucket. Come on, Lizzie. Change your water out, Birbies, once we're done. Oh, I know. Yes, preening. Right, in you get, Bob. Oh, you're gonna land on me. Okay, handy bird. Bob of the bucket.